The HX711 is a high-precision, dual-channel weighing sensor module designed for a variety of weighing applications. With its 24-bit ADC, analog-to-digital converter, it offers high accuracy and performance, making it ideal for industrial scales, research labs, and educational projects. The HX711 module incorporates a precision 24-bit analog-to-digital converter, ADC, and an onboard amplifier. It is designed to interface directly with load cells to accurately measure weight. Basic functioning involves receiving an analog signal from the load cell that is proportional to the applied weight, amplifying this analog signal using the onboard amplifier, converting the amplified analog signal into a digital format using the 24-bit ADC. The module typically interfaces with microcontrollers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi via SPI, serial peripheral interface, or other digital protocols. In summary, the HX711 weighing sensor module is a high-precision tool suitable for a myriad of weighing applications. From kitchen scales to industrial measurement systems, this module offers unparalleled accuracy and ease of use.